Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best 2 deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Our start here, we got a cooler. Yeah, it's a really nice cooler for the patio if you got guests over. Alright, you got this string trimmer. This is a push wheeled string trimmer. Gas 159cc. This is for bigger jobs, bigger weeds, obviously. You got a 15-inch cordless string trimmer with the power load. So I want something like this. Let me know in the comment section if you have this. How well do you like it? It's $179 down from $199. So it does come with the battery according to this. So we'll see what's up, if it's worth it or not. I might get it since I'm already in the line. You got 24 volt max brushless Cobalt, $129 down from $149. It's a 12-inch cut. So pretty nice. We got a buy any select Craftsman trimmer, $159 or more. Get a trimmer plus edger for free, or edger attachment. So we do have to look at, see exactly what the deal is there. I don't know exactly. I've got to get more information on that. You got this this twist line already pre-cut on clearance or a sale. Then they got this one's 5-gallon diesel can, $20 down from $26. I don't know if it's this one, but this one looks horrible. This one looks like it's dirty pretty much. So I don't know which one it is that's on sale. Maybe the one on the back or something. So you got the Cobalt 24 volt X trimmer. So it's $119 down from $149. So pretty nice deal on this one. Yes, you guys, we got the new fans. These are the new Eagle fans. It's the Eagle 18-inch misting fans. Pretty much they have another language here. I do not understand. So I went over to the other side. Somehow it says 5,000 CFM. And it seems like you can carry it toward, those have wheels, so you can carry this like a dolly. So we'll look at the other side and see what it says. Alright, so it says power fan, 18 inches misting fan. It says world's most. So you got world's most. I don't know if it's powerful misting fan. I couldn't see the letters there. Got Craftsman 18-inch gas chainsaw, $188 down from $199. It seems like they got one back here. And then they have this 16-inch gas chainsaw, $169 down from $179. So $10 off. Some of the stores have them cheaper. So this one's $129. It's 20 volt 10-inch cordless chainsaw. It's a pretty nice chainsaw. If you're on the line, this is the perfect tool for you for the yard. So it's $129 for that. And they got the cordless string trimmer, 13-inch cut. Alright, they got the mister. So if you got a patio, small patio, or an umbrella like this, it's a great little misting system. But if you got a shop fan, this is the one to get. So if you want to save yourself $279 from the Eagle stuff, you got a shop fan laying around in your garage, you can buy yourself one of these with $20. And you're all set. So you got the misting, especially if you got those metal shop fans. Those will work great with these. You got the Epoxy Shield on clearance for $71 down from $88. You got these blades there. Some of you have been reporting that you guys been getting this really cheap, but here at the store they're still $44.98 down from $59. So hopefully they'll drop that in price. You got $32.98 for this one. Not really that low, but they are Cobalt. So you got a hardwired security light, 180 degree, $35. And then they got the Speed Drive Max tire inflator. It says calculates and displays. It says lifetime guarantee, 3-minute fill time. Yeah, and it did not have a price. So you got the safety can, smooth edge can opener. So it says easy one touch operation, $14.99 or for $29.99. Alright, they got this, looks like a Hex Set here. $29.15 down from $34.98. There's a whole bunch of stuff here, so it's a 6-piece. And then you got the item number there. Then you got this one. This one's $17.98. The 24-piece drive bit set. Still a little pricey. And they got these Jigsaw Blades. It's $7.57 down from $12.48. This is a 9-inch. It says 3 times life. Then you got these DeWalt set, $19.98. Not necessarily cheaper prices, guys. So I would definitely wait on these. I'm just showing you guys the items. So if you guys see them at your store, they might be a lot lower than this. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at these videos, especially on these clearance items. And they got this Jigsaw Blades, $14. However, there was more of these at the tool section, so I don't know what's the deal with these. $17.98 for these. Then they had this TV tape light, so basically a light behind your TV. $9.99. It's a clearance from $19.98. I ended up buying one of these. They were pretty good. I mean, I have a bigger TV, so it doesn't work like the picture. Alright, they got the DeWalt buy one get one free. So you buy any of the tools on the left, you're gonna get a free battery. It's a free 5-amp hour battery. You can choose from the circular saw, impact wrench. You get the impact driver, the fan, the rotary tool, rotary hammer. You got the lights. You got it looks like the planer. You got another impact wrench there to the right, maybe a 3/8 reciprocating saw. So definitely check it out. All the tools are here at the bottom. And they got this one for $99. It's the Bosch Brushless 2-in-1 Freak Dual Driver Kit. It is an impact wrench. Actually, this one's an impact wrench. It does have the hex. Then they got the Craftsman buy one get one free. So you buy you can buy the starter kit. You can buy the drill driver kit. You can buy the string trimmer or the leaf blower. You're gonna get a bare tool for free. So definitely check it out, guys. Last week on my other video, I did have the pictures of the display. This store did not have that, so just if you guys want to look at that, make sure you guys watch my previous video. This is one of the tools you guys can get for free. This thing is a killer deal. This thing's cordless corded car adapter, 12-volt car adapter, or battery operated, and it is automatic shut off. So once it reaches the PSI, it shuts off. So guys, I don't know of any inflator currently that takes all these energy, this power. Because it does take the the regular plug from the house. It takes the plug from the car, which is the 12-volt. It takes the battery. So that's a lot of ways you guys can power this. So definitely check it out. It does have all the adapters on both sides, and it is a high flow or a low pressure inflator too, like a high flow inflator. They got the hammer drill here. And they got this one. This one's the 4-tool combo kit for $209. These are brushless tools, by the way. So this is different than the other one that's on sale. This one's $378 down from $399. This is the Metabo Table Saw. So it's a 10-inch job site table saw. It's a pretty nice table saw. It does come with the stand. So really nice piece of equipment here. Definitely recommend it. And this is the one that's on sale. It's a 6-tool combo kit. It does include a reciprocating saw, circular saw, a light, I believe, and the oscillating tool, impact driver, and drill driver. Those are all brush tools. Just keep that in mind when you're buying these. These are great for entry level or for the house DIY. $199 down from $299. So it's a pretty good deal, decent deal, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.